Hi there! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import presets in Photoshop CC. Firstly, we will need to open Photoshop. Once in Photoshop, we will first need to open an image in order for us to load and use the presets. When the image is open in Photoshop, we will need to head on over to Filter and select Camera Raw Filter. In the Camera Raw screen that opened, we will need to find the Presets panel and select it. In the Presets panel, select the three dots and look for Import Profiles and Presets and click on that. The Finder window will open. Navigate to where the presets have been downloaded or saved. Here we will need to import a zip folder. You will see that Photoshop will not import the files if it is not zipped. The presets you have downloaded should already be in a zip folder. If not, you will need to zip it before importing into Photoshop. Go ahead and select Import. You might find that even after importing the presets, they do not show up. If this is the case, you can simply click on the three dots and select Show Partially Compatible Presets. You have successfully downloaded your presets. You can select the desired preset, apply it, and hit OK. You will return back in Photoshop with the preset applied. Thank you for watching. We do hope you enjoy our presets. Till next time.